Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, Swift ZXI 2025 owners. Setting your car's clock might seem like a small detail, but having the correct time is super helpful for navigation and daily commutes. Many new owners find themselves wondering exactly how to do this in their sleek new ride. This quick guide will walk you through each simple step, ensuring your infotainment system always displays the precise time you need. Let's get your clock perfectly synchronized. First, hop into your Swift ZXI and turn the ignition to the ACK or ON position, but don't start the engine itself. This powers up the infotainment system without engaging the engine. Now, look at your central display and navigate to the home screen. You'll want to find and gently tap the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear or cogwheel, to access the main system controls. Once you are in the settings menu, look for an option clearly labeled date and time, or sometimes clock settings. Tap on this selection to bring up the time adjustment interface. Here, you'll typically see separate fields for hours and minutes. Use the on-screen plus or minus buttons or arrows to carefully increment or decrement the time until it matches your current local time precisely. After you've adjusted the hours and minutes to their correct values, it's crucial to save your new settings. Don't just exit the menu. Look for a button on the screen that says Done, OK, or Apply. Tapping this button will confirm your changes and lock in the new time. Your Swift ZXI's internal clock will then update instantly, reflecting your precise adjustments. Congratulations! Your Swift ZXI 2025's clock should now be perfectly synchronized and displaying the correct time. Remember these simple steps for future adjustments, especially when daylight saving time arrives or if you travel across time zones. We hope this quick guide was helpful for you. Drive safely and enjoy every moment in your wonderfully updated car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.